Hi, in this video let me show you how to start your Nissan Sentra, Altima, Rogue and many other Nissan models in case of the battery inside of your key fob being dead. So if this happens to you, first of all, to enter the car, you will have to remove the actual physical key. So if you turn the key around, you see there is a switch here. You need to pull and at the same time pull this key. This is to open the driver's side door. So over here on the driver's side door you have a keyhole and you just have to put it inside, twist it, and you'll be able to unlock the car even if the battery is dead. Now if you don't have a keyhole, sometimes it's hidden right over here. You have to remove this cap. Okay, you need to pop the cap and the keyhole will be present. Once you're in the car, well, you can put back the key, doesn't matter, inside of the key fob. Next you're gonna find the start engine stop button in your car, and by the way, I have removed the battery of this key fob just to show you that it still works without even a battery inside. And you need to bring the key fob above the button. Make sure they touch together in this position, and you're gonna push with your foot on the brake. Here it will tell you push brake and start switch to drive. So all I have to do now is to push using the key the start button. Okay, it will make a small beep. If it doesn't work, let's try again. And here you go. The car has started. You can remove the key and start driving. If you have one of these key fobs, the replacement battery is a CR2025. I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon in case you want to purchase one. To replace the battery, you simply have to remove the physical key. Take something very thin and you need to insert it right over here or over there to open the case. Here I have a pair of scissors, be careful. Okay, once it open a bit, you can try to open it with your fingers. The battery will usually be right over here. Put the battery facing down like this. This is the negative side, and the negative side should be looking at you. And then clip back the top part with the buttons. Thanks for watching. I hope it was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.